Are you ready to supercharge your career in internal auditing? Well, you've come to the right place, because Skdemi has just launched the Ultimate Certified Internal Auditor, CIA, Part 2 online course. What makes our course stand out from the rest? Firstly, our course offers comprehensive coverage. Every topic in the CIA Part 2 exam syllabus is covered in depth. There's no chance you'll miss a thing. Secondly, you'll be learning from our team of industry experts. They are here for one reason: your success. You can glean from their wisdom, their tips, and their tricks. Thirdly, we believe in interactive learning. Our course is packed with engaging quizzes, practice exams, and interactive lessons. We guarantee learning has never been this fun. Fourthly, our course offers flexible learning. You can study at your own pace, wherever and whenever it's convenient for you. There's no rush, no pressure. Fifthly, we provide a plethora of study resources. From downloadable resources and study guides to real-world case studies. Everything you need to enhance your understanding. Finally, you become part of our supportive community. Connect with fellow CIA candidates, share experiences, and get answers to your questions. And here's the icing on the cake. All of this for an incredibly affordable price. That's right, you can invest in your future without breaking the bank. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from our successful CIA candidates who trusted Skdemi to guide them to success. Ready to take your career to new heights? Don't wait. Enroll now and unlock a world of opportunities in internal auditing. Your journey to becoming a certified internal auditor starts here. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our courses, study tips, and industry insights. Share this video with your fellow CIA aspirants, because together we can empower more auditors to excel. Remember, your success is our success. Thank you for choosing Skdemi, your partner in success.